lady in your book, linear models. A linear model is simply a mathematical description so a linear model is a mathematical description of a practical situation. That is the extent of a linear model. Alright, that's what it is. That's what it's used for. Why are we going to learn about it? Yes, ma'am.
Is this the meaning?
Yes.
Okay, I'll write meaning at the top.
Okay. Let's look at some examples. Alright, so that's the graph.
It's like bad.
Please get that redrawn in your books.
Where were the points from?
What's that?
Use a pencil.
So one point is just at 0, and should have a point around about 50, 30.
50-30?
So there's also our two questions. So we have our graph, or graph, however you want to pronounce it. The graph used to convert Australian dollars to euros. Alright, we have the Australian dollars down the bottom. We have euros across the side. Alright. First question is to have 50 Australian dollars, AUD, as euros. So the technique is pretty simple. Go across to 50. So we've gone across to the 50 on the AUD section. We go straight up until we hit the red line. And if we've drawn our graph properly, when we come back across, it should somewhat be at the 30. Right, if we've drawn our graph properly, or if you go up properly, it should come across to the 30, which means that 50 Australian dollars is 30 euros. And that's just how that graph works. Okay?
So for every, I don't know, never mind.
So you can use these intervals as different dollar amounts to find the Australian dollars in euros, and you can go back the other way.
So how do we figure out what numbers to put up and across?
So you'll be told, so you'll be given the graph.
What
You won't have
if we
to
have
create your own graph.
What if we do though, like say a bit later sometime?
So they'll tell you what the scale is. Now question B is 15 euros to Australian dollars, so we do exactly the same process, we just go up first. So we go up to the 15, go across. If we've drawn everything properly, we should come down to where we need to be, and it should be around about 25. So it should be pretty much halfway, if we've drawn properly. So 15 euros then becomes 25 Australian dollars.
Wait, did you say 25?
Yep. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this one is a step graph.
Looks like Baymax.
What?
This one is a step graph because it goes up in steps, right? So it goes up in steps, hence the name step graph.
We call them stairs.
Are you?
Let's do steps.
You do step up or do you stairs?
My stairs up.
Got you beach.
Stare at him. Stare at him.
Alright.
Drop them.
So how we're reading this, the open circles are where those costs start but aren't included. So it's like on a number line when you have the open circle, it doesn't include that number, it just starts at that number, right? The closed circle is actually included. So open circle not included, enclosed circle included. Okay? So for 50 grams is going to be down here. So if I go up to the step graph, I can see that 50 grams is going to be $1.50 because that's halfway between the 1 and the 2. Alright? So that one's going to be $1.50. If I go to 900 grams, which is quite a bit heavier, it's going to be up here in the middle.
It's going to be
If
$4.
I go all the way up, it's going to come across, and it should be $3.50 because there's 50 cent increments. 200 grams. So this is where that open circle, closed circle bit comes in. So 200 grams we go up, we've got a closed circle and an open circle. Open circle is where the next one starts. Closed circle is actually included in where it's finished. So 200 grams is still $1.50. Okay? Does that make sense? So if it was 800 grams, like the last one, what's it going to be?
$3.
$3, right? So it comes up here, the enclosed circle is at $3. Does that make sense?
Sure.
And that's one of your questions in the exercise done.
Oh.
So, ladies and gents, for the level 1ers, going for the band 2. Level 1ers, going for your band 2. Questions 1 and 2. We've already done question 3. Level 2ers, going for your bands 3 or 4. You need to do 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. Superstars going for the band 5 or 6. You need to do all that plus 8.